Look, it's a window into Leicester's past. Did you know that the square you're standing in was home to at least 5 inns? Some of those inns were built in medieval times and were very old, even in the 18th century. The timber-framed Green Dragon Inn was one of the many pubs that served local traders and merchants. It was the setting for a dramatic event that took place in 1778, after French teacher Francis Soult played a game of billiards with James Fenton. Let's see what happened next. An argument broke out, and Soult went to the Green Dragon Inn, where James lived, to challenge him to a fight. His brother, John Fenton, was there and tried to throw him out to protect his brother. There was a fight, and Soult pulled out a pistol and shot John. John died of his injuries the next day. Soult was tried at Leicester Guildhall, but a messenger arrived with a royal pardon, and Soult returned to France. That's strange. Let's see how it ended. John Fenton was buried in St Martin's churchyard, now known as Leicester Cathedral. The inscription on his gravestone by schoolmaster Charles Rossell criticises the justice system that many people felt had failed. Near this place lieth the body of John Fenton, who fell by violence May 17th, 1778, and remains a sad example of the incompetency of juridical institutions to punish a murderer. This square was named after the medieval Green Dragon Inn. Connecting places to their past is an important way to share links to our history. It's amazing to think of the stories that happened right here